Layering necklaces are a great way to add personality to your style, but with so many different options, it can be tricky to know where to start. We'll explore two aspects to consider when layering: the length and the type of chain. The first thing to consider when layering necklaces is the length. You want to choose different lengths to achieve a nice cascading effect. Start with measuring the base of your neck. Then add 2 inches in order to get your first necklace length. For the next layers, a good rule of thumb is to have at least 2 inches between each necklace. We created a guide of the most common sizes and how different lengths will lay based on your neck size. Here are some do's and don'ts when layering with different chains. Don't limit yourself to dainty chains. Layering only with them will lead to annoying tangles. Do mix delicate chains with chunkier ones. Mixing different textures makes your layered stack more interesting while also reducing tangling. Don't opt for Singapore or delicate rope chains when layering, as they are prone to tangling. Do consider using flat chains like curb, Figaro, or Cuban link chains. They're perfect for layering since they don't roll as much. In conclusion, mastering the art of layering necklaces involves selecting the right lengths and mix-matching chain styles. So don't be afraid to experiment. Be sure to check out our other videos on layering, and remember to like and subscribe for other jewelry tips.